The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a remarkable evolution of the iconic Grand Tourer, offering an unmatched blend of power, luxury, and open-top exhilaration. This front-engine V12 convertible continues Ferrari's tradition of delivering raw performance with a touch of elegance, making it one of the most desirable supercars on the market. Under the hood, the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine roars with an impressive 819 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring rapid gear shifts and an engaging driving experience. The engine revs up to 9,500 revolutions per minute, providing a thrilling soundtrack that embodies the essence of a Ferrari V12. The 812 GTS maintains its aggressive styling with aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve performance but also enhance its striking road presence. The long sculpted hood, muscular rear haunches, and sharp LED headlights create a commanding stance. The retractable hardtop roof, which can be opened or closed in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, adds to the car's versatility, allowing drivers to enjoy both coupe-like refinement and the thrill of open-air driving. The rear diffuser and active aerodynamics work together to improve downforce and stability, making high-speed driving more composed and controlled. Ferrari has also refined the chassis dynamics to ensure precise handling, with features like four-wheel steering and the latest version of the side-slip control system for enhanced agility. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness, with premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and an intuitive driver-focused layout. The flat-bottom steering wheel, featuring Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allows drivers to switch between different driving modes seamlessly. Paddle shifters are positioned perfectly for quick shifts, adding to the immersive experience. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a passenger-side display lets co-drivers engage with the driving experience. Ferrari has also integrated a top-tier infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and an advanced audio system to ensure entertainment on long drives. Comfort is not compromised despite the car's high-performance nature, with well-bolstered seats offering excellent support. The 812 GTS isn't just about straight-line speed, it's engineered for dynamic cornering and precision. The car's electronic aids work seamlessly to enhance grip and responsiveness, giving drivers confidence even at high speeds. The adaptive suspension system adjusts to different road conditions, providing a balance between comfort and sportiness. The brakes, featuring massive carbon ceramic discs, deliver exceptional stopping power, ensuring that the car remains composed under heavy braking. Ferrari's meticulous tuning ensures that the 812 GTS remains planted, offering an exhilarating yet controlled driving experience whether on winding mountain roads or a racetrack. With a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour, the 812 GTS is one of the fastest convertibles ever built. Despite its high performance, Ferrari has designed the car to be usable for grand touring, with a reasonably spacious trunk for a supercar and advanced climate control for all-weather comfort. While fuel economy isn't its priority, the naturally aspirated V12 is a masterpiece of engineering that delivers an unmatched sensory experience. The direct throttle response and linear power delivery make every drive memorable, while the convertible nature amplifies the excitement by letting drivers hear the V12's symphony without obstruction. Owning an 812 GTS isn't just about performance, it's about exclusivity and craftsmanship. Ferrari offers a wide range of customization options, allowing owners to personalize their cars with unique paint colors, interior trims, and bespoke features. The attention to detail in the stitching, materials, and overall design reflects Ferrari's commitment to luxury. The car embodies both heritage and innovation, bringing the best of Ferrari's racing DNA to a road-legal Grand Tourer. For those who appreciate the thrill of naturally aspirated V12 engines, the 812 GTS represents one of the last great examples of this diminishing breed. As Ferrari moves toward hybrid and electrified models, this convertible offers a pure, unfiltered driving experience that is becoming increasingly rare. It is a car that appeals to both collectors and driving enthusiasts, delivering an emotional connection that few vehicles can match. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a grand tour that captures the essence of Ferrari's V12 heritage while embracing modern advancements in performance, design, and technology. As the convertible counterpart to the 812 Superfast, it blends extreme power with the freedom of open-air driving, making it one of the most exhilarating Ferraris available today. With Ferrari's focus shifting toward hybrid and electric models, the 812 GTS stands as one of the last naturally aspirated V12 convertibles, delivering an unparalleled driving experience that prioritizes raw emotion and mechanical purity. At the heart of the 812 GTS is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers a staggering 819 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This powerplant is a testament to Ferrari's expertise in high-revving, naturally aspirated engines, providing instant throttle response and a spine-tingling exhaust note. The V12 reaches an astonishing 9,500 revolutions per minute, producing a mechanical symphony that amplifies the driving experience, especially with the top down. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that ensures lightning-fast gear changes and smooth power delivery. The combination allows the 812 GTS to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest convertibles ever built. The exterior design of the 812 GTS is both aggressive and elegant, reflecting Ferrari's commitment to aerodynamics and aesthetics. The sculpted lines, large air intakes, and wide stance contribute to its dynamic appearance while enhancing airflow and cooling. The retractable hardtop roof adds to its versatility, transforming the car from a refined coupe to an open-top supercar in just 14 seconds, even while moving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Unlike traditional soft-top convertibles, the hardtop preserves the sleek silhouette without compromising aerodynamics or structural rigidity. The rear of the car features a bold diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an active aero system that improves downforce and stability at high speeds. The LED headlights and taillights seamlessly integrate into the design, giving the car a futuristic yet timeless look. Step inside, and the cabin of the 812 GTS greets drivers with a perfect blend of luxury and motorsport-inspired design. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents create an environment that is both refined and performance-focused. The cockpit is entirely driver-centric, with a flat-bottom steering wheel housing Ferrari's signature Manettino dial for easy access to different driving modes. Paddle shifters are positioned ergonomically for seamless manual control over gear changes. The fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, navigation, and telemetry, keeping drivers informed at all times. A passenger side display allows co-drivers to engage with speed, RPM, and multimedia controls, enhancing the shared experience. The seats, designed for both comfort and support, feature aggressive bolstering to keep occupants secure during spirited driving while ensuring long-distance comfort. The dual-zone climate control and premium audio system provide additional refinement, making the 812 GTS a true grand tourer. Beyond its sheer power and luxury, the 812 GTS excels in handling and drivability. Ferrari's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis and suspension to deliver razor-sharp responsiveness without sacrificing ride quality. The car features four-wheel steering, which enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making cornering more precise and predictable. The latest version of Ferrari's side-slip control system works seamlessly with the electronic differential and traction control to optimize grip and balance. The adaptive suspension system constantly adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a perfect blend of comfort and performance. This allows the 812 GTS to be driven aggressively on a racetrack while remaining composed and comfortable on long highway journeys. Braking performance is another highlight, with massive carbon ceramic discs providing exceptional stopping power. The brake-by-wire system enhances precision, ensuring quick and controlled deceleration even at high speeds. The aerodynamics, including active flaps and vents, contribute to stability by reducing lift and increasing downforce when needed. Despite being a front-engine, rear-wheel drive car, the weight distribution and electronic systems make it feel as agile and responsive as a mid-engine supercar. One of the most captivating aspects of the 812 GTS is its naturally aspirated V12 engine, a rarity in the modern automotive world. As the industry moves toward turbocharging and electrification, Ferrari's decision to maintain a high-revving, naturally aspirated powertrain makes this car a special offering. The linear power delivery, absence of turbo lag, and intoxicating exhaust note create an emotional connection between driver and machine. Every throttle input is met with an immediate surge of power, and every gear change is accompanied by an exhilarating growl from the exhaust. This purity of performance is what sets the 812 GTS apart from many of its competitors. Practicality might not be the first thing that comes to mind with a high-performance Ferrari, but the 812 GTS offers more usability than one might expect. The retractable hardtop does not compromise trunk space significantly, making it one of the more practical supercars in its class. While the rear storage area isn't massive, it provides enough room for weekend luggage, making the car suitable for long-distance road trips. Ferrari has also equipped the 812 GTS with modern convenience features, including advanced driver assistance systems, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera to make maneuvering easier. These elements contribute to making the 812 GTS not just a thrilling performance machine but also a capable grand tourer for those who enjoy long drives. Customization plays a major role in the Ferrari ownership experience, and the 812 GTS offers an extensive range of personalization options. Buyers can choose from a wide variety of paint colors, leather trims, carbon fiber accents, and bespoke details to create a truly unique vehicle. Ferrari's tailor-made program allows customers to commission one-of-a-kind designs, ensuring that each car reflects its owner's personality and tastes. From racing-inspired liveries to handcrafted interiors, the level of detail and craftsmanship in every 812 GTS is a testament to Ferrari's dedication to excellence. The 812 GTS is more than just a high-performance convertible, it represents Ferrari's philosophy of blending tradition with innovation. While its V12 engine pays homage to Ferrari's legendary past, the advanced technology, aerodynamics, and engineering ensure it remains competitive in the modern supercar landscape. The combination of mind-blowing speed, precise handling, and top-tier craftsmanship makes it a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike. For those seeking a car that delivers an unfiltered driving experience while offering the luxury and refinement of a grand tourer, the 812 GTS is a perfect choice. Its ability to transition from a ferocious, high-revving supercar to a comfortable, road trip-ready machine sets it apart from many other high-performance vehicles. With Ferrari continuing to explore hybrid and electric technologies, the 812 GTS stands as one of the last great naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris, making it a truly special and collectible model. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content on the latest supercars, automotive news, and performance reviews. Thank you for watching Car Insights, where we bring you the latest reviews, in-depth analysis, and expert insights into the world of high-performance automobiles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest supercar reviews and automotive news.